3, go.
Scology. Scology is another LMS founded in 2009 by Jeremy Friedman, Alan Wang, Tim Trinidad, and Bill Kinder. You can actually create your own online distance education learning system using any of these platforms. One is the MOOCs. Another recent modality to learning is the Massive Open Online Course, or the MOOC. It is a model for delivering learning content online to any person who wants to take a course. Next, and asynchronous. Another important feature is the asynchronous session. This is when questions or tasks are posted on course. Participants answer the questions or post their reply at any time most convenient to them. An online chat at real time is a synchronous session. Course participants meet in a virtual classroom and discuss a topic and the lesson. Next one is the blended learning. Another way of handling flexible learning is by combining modalities of instructional delivery. Blended learning is a combination of learning activities wherein a part of the lesson is delivered online while the other part is handled in an actual physical setting of a classroom. And then the next, Model 1 or face-to-face chart. In the face-to-face model, the teacher delivers the curricula most of the time and utilizes online learning at certain times with the purpose to augment or provide an alternative experience. Instruction is provided and a computer laboratory or assigned tasks are uploaded online. Then the second one, Model 2 or the attention. In a particular course or subject, students rotate on a fixed schedule between learning online in a one-to-one or self-paced learning environment and being inside the classroom with a face-to-face teacher. This is the model that is between the traditional face-to-face learning and online learning. The third one, the flex. This model uses an online platform and delivers most of the course. Support to learning is provided as needed through on-site support by an online tutor who facilitates the tutorial or asynchronous. And the fourth one, online lab. This online lab model uses an online platform and delivering the course but located in a physical classroom or computer laboratory. Since the lessons are in modular format and the very classes able in the online program, teacher assistants supervise this. However, they will not provide the needed expertise if learners need assistance. The fifth one, or the number 5, self-blend. The self-blend model is a systematic provided by the school where the students can choose they would like to have in addition to their typical break and motor classroom classes. Number 6 is the online driver. The online driver model utilizes a platform and a teacher that delivers all curricula. Students remotely work on the program most of the time. If ever there is a face-to-face component, it is made optional, or if ever it is required in school, then it can extracurricular activities augmenting the curriculum. Online courses of learning social networking. When we consider online networking, internet users immediately refers to Facebook. Everybody seems to have Facebook account, and this is for communication. If in the teaching and learning situation, you work on information, data, and collaborate with classmates, friends, teachers, and other members of society, then social networking can also be appropriately employed as an educational tool. So what is networking? Networking is when productive relationships are cultivated. Networking works best. A network is defined as that group of individuals who communicates and connects on a regular basis. If an individual has a personal network of people, one can tap on the potential contacts for social, educational, or professional purposes. And then, the social networking platform, different ways to communicate with friends can be through the internet or mobile devices. One can have a personal page where a profile can be built in a social networking site.